Okay, yo, we back in the car. You know what? I might as well give y'all some free revs just cuz. Ooh, baby, that intake sounds good. I do want to swap it out though. Get a see if a different intake will like make a difference in it. Oh man. All right, y'all. Back to the main road we go. Baby pool right here. Which way should I go? Let me just go this way. This makes the most sense. Y'all, by the way, this location I found, I don't know how I found it. I just kind of came across it just driving around. So definitely a great location. Y'all will definitely see more content in this area. Yeah, just cause like it's perfect for like getting you guys just some outside POVs and stuff, and you know, just being able to showcase the car. I think I'll go this way. Boy, that turbo spool is something serious. Oh my god. But I'll pick y'all back up once I get through this red light. Okay, y'all. We back on the road. Whew. I don't even know what road I'm supposed to take. I'm just gonna keep going down until I feel like I'm back where I started at today. Damn, that sun is bright. Oh my god, the burbles. Yeah, my M340 is definitely, this is the best car I think I've ever owned. Like, no doubt. Oh, and it's bright as hell out here, y'all. Oh shit, damn. That shit OC. That shit is OC. I can't see. I'm being blinded. All right, there we go. Being blinded to the max, to the max. To the back. Oh, my head, my head. Somebody hit my head. Oh shit. Can't see nothing. I'm sorry, y'all. It's gonna get a little crucified to see for a second till I get up out of this sun. But yeah, y'all let me know. Do you guys so far, because I've gotten comments like when people see me in public, like, do you think this is like a good build for M340 so far? Some people like the fact that I only have like one carbon accent on this car. Some people say it's kind of like boring, so it's like, let me know you guys' preference. I cannot see this light if it turned green. There we go. But yeah, let me know y'all's preference, because me personally, I've never had a car that had like a whole bunch of carbon fiber on the outside. Like, I've had cars where it's full carbon fiber inside but not exterior, so I just want to hear y'all's opinions on that. Like, is that something, you know, I'm lacking in? Like, should I get some carbon on the outside, or do you think the black is just cool? Because I definitely want to get carbon, but if I can find alternatives that still look cool for what I'm going for, I'll just stick with, like, you know, getting gloss black or whatever. Damn, man, this sun is fucking... Okay, there we go. Whew. Yeah, we about to go get on this highway. Bersharsky. Oh, that one was long, bro. Yo, everybody in the comments, if you made it this far in the video, hashtag Femto, we need to unlock ASAP. Cause I'm so ready to tune this car, it makes no sense. Like, I need my burbles to be OD for a month straight. I'm trying to have a blast in here. No doubt about it. Get my ass over. Where that car at? Oh yeah, you right here. Perfect. Perfect. Yo, I think that's a... Is that a 66 Mustang behind me? I can't even tell. That shit look tight though. Fuck you looking at? Yo, I need to get from behind these mugs. Oh no, that's too much wind. Too much wind. Too much wind. Bro, this car is so...
Multiple lanes merging ahead.
Oh, my fault, shouted. Oh, let's see if I can get a little... I don't even know if y'all can hear those burbles just because of the wind, but bro, taking this car under any underpass is just so amazing. Get around you. Get my ass back over here. Just bob and weave, bob and weave, bob and weave. Yes, sir. And the shifts are so smooth with my magnetic paddle shifters. Oh my god. Shit. Drop one more gear. And there we go. Shit, man. We having fun, P. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yo, I really want to take this car down to like a boat ramp or a river walk or something. I just feel like this car would look real good next to some water. Just not in the water type shit. Cause I ain't trying to, I ain't trying to lose this bad boy. I love this car. All right, now don't bring that CLA too far over. Goddamn shawty. Riding in the M340I. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm sorry y'all. You will start to hear me blurt out a bunch of random stuff. I'm getting very comfortable behind the camera and in front of the camera. So yeah, if you just hear me blurting out random stuff, that's just me being me, man. But it's, trust me, it's like a regular thing. On and off camera. But yeah, that Ford F-150 right there is kind of clean. Me personally, I wouldn't get it, but it's kind of clean. Oh man. Damn, but I'm gonna be on the only downside to burbles. My ass be feeling like it's fucking getting buzzed, bro.
You're a victim.
I don't like that. It's very weird. Like, that is not something I want to be feeling. Bro, I love this. I love the burbles on this car. That shit is amazing. Sheesh. Sheesh. This thing is OC. Now why you done brought your little butt over here with the big boy? Oh my God. Damn. That shit burbling something serious. Yo, that junk is OC. Yo, bro. 10 out of 10. This is a car I would recommend. And if you think about it, get it. This car is amazing. Gen 3 on top. I don't care nobody says. Never had a Gen 1, never had a Gen 2. Gen 3 on top. This is a great ass car. Burbles on this thing are insane. Let me get in front of you. Oh my God, bro. I really wish I could like open the windows and y'all could hear this. Yeah, we gotta get a gap cam. Y'all gotta hear this. This sounds insane. Yo. That's what my car sounds like? God damn. Dang. This car is amazing. It is amazing. I don't have any other words than this car is just awesome. Best purchase I think I've ever made in my life. Other than, you know, buying a house at a young age. This is definitely one of my best purchases. Yeah, I literally I'm speechless right now, yo. This car is literally like, this is the best car I've owned. And I've only had 3 types of cars, honestly. Damn. Whew. Oh my jeez. You're not getting in front of this car, goddamn. I tell you that shit now. Nah, this shit OC. Can't even lie to you. I love this car. Oh shit. Damn. The burbles are definitely very like peak in 4th and 5th gear. Shit, man. I love this car. I don't think I'm gonna stop saying it, y'all. Y'all, it's about to get real annoying because I'm gonna keep saying it. I really, truly love this car. This car is amazing. But yeah, man, that's gonna do it for today's POV. today's video. It's not even a POV, it's a video. I don't even know what the fuck going on. I'm just too excited about the car now. But appreciate y'all for tuning in. It's your boy Sweat. I'm excited as hell, energetic now. This car done turned me up for the day. I'm at a loss for words, so I'm just rambling, but thank y'all for watching. On the grind for 5K subs in 2026. We're monetizing 2026. You know what I'm saying? Y'all support me, I support y'all, you know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know how y'all build's going. Let me know if I influenced you to achieve anything in life. And that's all I gotta say, man. It's your boy Sweat, and I'm out.
She ain't used to text me, now she won't caress me. She keep trying to neck me, I gotta tell my bestie.